Hey guys, it's Joe here at Car Diesel Empire with another weekly wrap up. So let's go take a look in the shed with all the cars that we have this week. Just this way. We have got the red Mustang. So the red Mustang is actually getting signature package. So the signature package is basically we have to do whatever it takes to make sure the car is mint, as in like it's just come out of showroom. So we're doing a 4-stage correction, we're doing ceramic coating on the paint, full interior detail, restoration, whatever needs to get done, and vinyl, leather, and fabric protection to go with it. The wheels are also going to be coming off on this and getting ceramic coating on the front and the back of the wheels, and not to mention the calipers as well. Pretty much everything we have to do, everything we think of, needs to get done to this car.
I brought it in the shop today because I've been wanting in the last couple of weeks to bring it in to just get some small stuff like the scratches and the paint redone, and trying to get it a bit more poppy and get the paint a bit more shinier. I've had a couple of friends who come here and heard that they were amazing, so yeah, I got my car done here and yeah, looks great, man.
So we've got this Mercedes ML63 here. So with this one, the wheels are actually getting fully machine furbished from scratch. And it is also getting a full respray over the car back to silver, because the customer is actually trying to sell it at the moment. So we're looking after this car at the moment for the meantime. All right, so here we've got the Porsche Carrera 4S. So this one we've actually got in for PPF. So we're going to be doing a 4-stage correction over this car. It has just got a 10 grand paint job on it, but we still want to make sure the car is actually perfect with the paint before we actually do PPF. Because once PPF is applied to the actual paint, you can't really do anything else to it. You kind of have to rip the PPF off and start again in that area if you want to start polishing it. So at the moment, we're in the progress of just polishing this right now. And then once we've done with that, we'll chuck the PPF on it. So over here, we've got the Tesla Model 3. So with this one, we're actually doing the badges, actually painting the badges in gloss black or satin black. Because what Tesla's actually doing now is they're bringing out all their cars with satin trims now. Instead of you doing your blackouts on them, they're actually coming out with them already in satin. So I've just got a customer here who just wanted to kind of delete the actual last bits of chrome on it and make it all nice and blended in. So that's what we're doing currently at the moment. As you can see, one of the guys is just preparing to chuck the actual badges back on the car.
Brought it in for actually getting the badges changed to gloss black. So out of factory, the trim comes in black now, which is new on the 2021 model. So I wanted to match the badges, which are yellow, and I actually got the dual motor D badge as well. So removed one of them and then changed the badges to black, and it looks very schmick.
Over here, we've got an Audi Q8. So we've got a fair few of these at the moment. So we've got another gloss black wheel color change going on. So this one is getting ready for it. This is just in the line, because I think we've got now 1, 2, we've got 3, we've got 4, we've got 4 going on at the moment. So we've got a fair few. But this one's next in line to get sorted for the gloss black wheels. And to include it in that, we've actually got a Mazda here that's actually also getting gloss black wheels as well. We'll put some Mazda wheels on it just so we can maneuver it around. Just got a couple of cars here at the moment. But yeah, this one's included in the gloss black family at the moment for the wheels. That concludes this week's wrap up, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Catch you then.